Welcome back. My name is Michael Rossi from MRC Center, and this video is dedicated to just a few words about MRC ECommerce Workshop. As you're aware, I've already covered under MRC Genesis some details of what will be covered under MRC ECommerce, but I thought I'd better cover and give you some information about the e-commerce or digital business. These days it's become a very popular avenue of new billionaires in the market. Now we will decide at the workshop how far we'll go in detail of how these workshops will use some samples of the success stories you've heard in your life, such as Google, eBay, Amazon, and Facebook, Uber, many other businesses, digital businesses that in fact has changed our lifestyle and the way we think and the way we do business these days. But you could be the next one. You could be the next .com that would change a segment or a section of our lifestyle. And this is the foundation, and this is the beginning of who has got a concept in his mind or her mind and wants to really commercialize it and monetize it, but they don't know what to do with it. They have absolutely no clue what are the priorities. This workshop is an amazing workshop. This workshop will give you a step-by-step guide. It's a 3-day workshop, and it will start from basics. It will be as simple as starting registration with a domain name, at a .com domain name. And then as we approach towards the middle of the workshop, it will get advanced. It will cover not only how you set up, how you corporate structure it, how you raise funds if you need funds, and on top of all that, how you market your concept, how you sell your products on the digital platform, as well as it will tell you how you can really plan your exit strategy, which I touched upon on Genesis, that a lot of people, they come into digital environment, but they don't want to stay there for a long time. And how you can really get other external partners to come in, equity partners, or you can do debt funding, or how you approach the whole thing from A to Z, so that if you decide to invest your money, your time, your energy into something in e-commerce, it's a fruitful endeavor. It's something that you will love it, you are passionate about it, and you know exactly how to navigate it, and we'll show you, we'll give you the tool as if you have a GPS, and you will travel through it, and you will finish the product. There are a lot of pitfalls, there are a lot of people out there, consultants, that they want to take really your money and they don't deliver anything. I have personally gone through it. Many consultants, many overseas developers have taken money, they've done nothing for me. So I've learned that. I'll show you, I teach you, and I will educate you how to avoid the pitfalls, how you minimize your capital use, and how to let your dollars stretch to the maximum distance. And the e-commerce workshop is a 3-day workshop, and it's going to cost you $3,500 including GST. And we don't have a seminar with 50 to 100 people in our room. My capacity is maximum 20 people. If you can't, if you don't come as a first 20 people, then you'll be waiting probably another 3 to 4 months before you get the next cycle. So I invite you as soon as possible to go through my inquiry form on the website. And we have not automated our payment system yet. We have the tools to do it, but we want to do it step by step. The reason is we want you to be comfortable. When you send the inquiry form, we will ring you, we will talk to you, we will answer your questions, and then if you decide to register for the workshop, then we will charge you. We don't want you to just go on basically on a website and pay $10,500. I don't feel comfortable with that, and I don't want anybody to feel comfortable with that. I want you to be comfortable after you've learned what we do, how we do it, how much it costs, and what's the best way to do it, what are the terms and conditions. And once you've got all that, then you decide to proceed. Then we will send you another form, and that form will get some details about your payment. Therefore, don't be scared to register. You're not paying when you register online. We will not charge you online until you're comfortable and you sign a form and direct us to charge you. All the workshops we do is the same. I don't believe that $3,500 is not a $3.50 that you go on and take the risk. You should feel comfortable before you pay it. Go to the register button and fill out the form, and someone from our organization will contact you. And I'll be more than happy to talk to you if you need to talk to me personally. Thank you very much. Hopefully this will help you to take some action. Thank you.